Okay, so today I'm going to go ahead and show y'all how to install HP ILO4. It's a remote management software, so you can go ahead and access and control your servers over the network via the internet or intranet, your LAN, or something like maybe even your cell phone. So if you're running any internet infrastructure or anything like that, and you maintain your servers, you can use this remote management software to power them on, power them off, uh, and do like a remote control where you can control your screen and stuff over the internet. So I'm gonna go ahead and do here is I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the link that y'all are gonna need. So this will be the link right here, and I'll try to put this down in the description later for y'all. I'm going to be doing the Linux one. Now this is going to be an uncut video, so I will be making mistakes probably, but you will be able to see I handle those mistakes. Right here, you can see the RPM file. Now I'm going to be doing this on a Dev1 installation, which is essentially Debian, but without systemd. I don't use systemd because it like spiders into the whole operating system and takes over services, and there's a lot of conspiracies that it's like government controlled, tied into like certain agencies and stuff like that. So I don't use it. So this is gonna be the link I'm gonna download. It's an RPM file. I'm just gonna go ahead and let's see, because it has to go on the server. With my fixapc.net files. I should just go here. Fixapc, and I'm gonna drop it in the home folder. And home user. Okay, so I'll put this in the whole folder and save it. Okay, so we have the download saved now. Alright. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up a terminal here, full screen up for y'all, and I'm gonna go ahead and SSH into my server. And I guess I'll make another directory called ILO4, right? And then move. What's that file name again? Firmware ILO4. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do mv firmware ILO4. And move this to ILO4 folder. I'm gonna go ahead and go into that folder now. Okay, so there's our RPM file. If I'm not remember, we use like Alien or whatever to install is it RPM files. I might have to do a quick Google on this again. Sometimes I forget. Let's go ahead and read this. Installation instructions. Extract RPM file, Linux. I'm gonna go here. Let's look up some guy's quick tutorial. So right here, they're using an application called RPM to CPIO. Now this converts to RPM to CPIO archive, so that's obviously not what we're gonna need. Wait, tar XVF, I didn't know you could do that. Tar XVF, let's try that out. I didn't know you could do that. Yeah, I didn't think so. Huh. I don't know why that guy had that there. Anyway, okay, let's go down. Oh, oh, there you go. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this out. Copy that. Do this. Firmware. Okay, looks like it extracted, so I'm gonna go ahead back and go into this user folder. Lib. Okay, yeah, no, this is it. So there's the firmware. And from what I understand, these two are executables.